Let's talk about how you should do your next healthcare PR project. These are the things you can do the best for these kinds of campaigns. Learn about your platform and audience. Get press decision makers involved. Make your story fit the area. Check for errors before posting. Make sure that HIPAA and FDA rules are being followed. Know your audience and the way you'll be communicating with them. Not just in health PR, this is the first rule of all PR. If you know more about the people you're talking to, you can guess how they'll feel about what you're saying, which will help you make better decisions during your healthcare PR effort. Get the press to make decisions. You can get a healthcare story in newspapers or on TV by pitching the story to writers and producers. These are the people who will actually make the content you want to see go viral. It is best to get your pitch as close to the original source of the message as possible so that it doesn't lose its power. Read other pieces the reporter has written or learn more about the people they like to write for, and then use that information in your pitch. For those interested in a more hands-on approach, our customized marketing course for the healthcare sector walks you through these strategies using real-life examples from successful healthcare companies. The course link is in the description and the first pinned comment. Make your story fit the area. It makes sense that people are more affected by news that affects them, their families, and their neighborhoods than by news from far away. How close a story is to the reader's own life can turn it from an interesting idea to a very personal problem. You can use this rule in your medical PR effort by drawing attention to the parts of your PR pieces that are personal for your readers. Before you send your press release, make sure it is error-free. Being correct is very important, especially when it comes to medical knowledge. When people's health is at risk, you don't want to lie to them, exaggerate, or misunderstand scientific proof in public. Make sure that every piece of communication you send out as part of your healthcare public relations plan is proofread. This will keep your campaign on track and avoid a communications problem. Watch out for HIPAA and FDA rules. One tricky part of healthcare PR is that information about patients and providers has to be kept secret. In your medical PR pieces, you will need to follow the HIPAA privacy rules to keep information from getting out without permission. In general, to stay on the right side of the law, content that HIPAA considers to be marketing will need more steps to be taken before it can be published. Some of our favorite examples of public relations in healthcare. Spring Health's strategy based on data. Spring Health is a business-to-business, B2B, mental health group in New York that wants to remove barriers to mental health. They use scientifically proven AI technology to make mental health care more available and attainable. Spring Health used marketing recruitment strategies and digital marketing to find providers who met their standards in order to build a database of skilled professionals to meet the growing need for mental health services. Main points. Because of those campaign efforts, there were 113% more provider-qualified leads and 58% more official jobs. What do you need to remember from this? Data can help you find your target audience, get your point across, and connect with them in a way that gets results. They focused on user engagement journeys and interviewed stakeholders to learn more about processes, needs, and opportunities when they were making a PR effort to get more high-quality traffic that turns into leads. We invite you to explore our customized marketing course for the healthcare sector, where we take a deep dive into these strategies with real-life examples. The course link is in the description and the first pinned comment.